Problem integral a power x into cos 2x dx. So first we take the given problem here. Integral a power x into cos 2x into dx is equals to a power x. Now this a power x is taken as e power log a power x into cos 2x into dx. That is, so e power log a power x, which returns the value only a power x. E power log, both are reciprocal functions, so these two are cancelled and we get the value a power x only. So in place of a power x, first I take that e power log a power x, and this is equals to integral e power x log a, log a power x, that is x log a, x log a into cos 2x into dx. So this is in the form of integral e power ax into cos bx plus c. So to find the integration to this problem, just we apply the formula integral a power x into cos bx plus c. And what is the formula for this integration? E power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. Now applying this formula to this step, here a is equals to log a, and what is b value 2 and what is c value 0. So here we have that a is equals to x quotient log a, and b is equals to here x quotient, that is 2, and c is equals to constant, there is no constant, so we take that value is equals to 0. Now replacing the values, integral e power ax, e power log a into x into cos of bx plus c, 2x plus 0 into dx is equals to e power ax, that is e power log a into x by a square plus b square log a whole square plus 2 square into a cos bx plus c log a into cos of 2x plus 0 plus b is equals to 2 sin 2x plus 0 plus c. Therefore integral e power, this is x log a into x, that is x log a into cos 2x into dx is equals to a power, and this is also x log a by log a whole square plus 4 into log a into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c, integral e power x log a, that is log a power x into cos 2x into dx is equals to, this is also e power x log a, log of a power x, log of a power x by log a whole square plus 4 into log a into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. Now e power log, these are cancelled, e power log cancelled. Therefore integral a power x into cos 2x dx is equals to a power x by log a whole square plus 4 into log a into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. That's all. This is the answer. That's all. Next problem, integral tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square into dx. So first we write the given problem here, integral tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square into dx, and first we substitute that x is equals to tan theta in the given problem. So x is equals to tan theta, then what is dx value? Taking the derivative, tan theta derivative secant square theta into d theta. Now substituting these two values in the given problem, so this is equals to tan inverse of 3 into x value tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta into dx value secant square theta into d theta. This is equals to integral tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is nothing but the value of tan 3 theta. This is nothing but the tan 3 theta formula. So tan 3 theta into secant square theta into d theta. Here tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. The remaining value is only 3 theta. So 3 theta into secant square theta into d theta. Now writing the constant before the integration, that is 3 into integral theta secant square theta d theta. So theta secant square theta, which is the product of the two functions. So we take the integral fg formula. For that first we take the one highlight. What is theta? Arithmetic. Theta secant square theta means this is nothing but x secant square x form. X secant square x means this is a product of the two x functions. So theta, that is x, arithmetic, secant square theta, that is secant square x, trigonometry. So this is first function, this is second function, that is this is f and this is g. Now applying the formula. What is the formula? Integral fg into dx is equals to f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx into dx plus c. Now applying this formula here. Now this is equals to 3 into f into integral g theta into integral secant square theta into d theta. Here the functions are in terms of theta, so we take d theta here minus integral f dash theta whole dash into integral secant square theta into d theta plus c. This is equals to 3 into theta into integral secant square theta integration tan theta minus integral theta dash theta derivative 1 into tan theta into d theta plus c. This value is equals to tan theta into d theta. It is 3 into theta tan theta minus integral tan theta. What is tan theta integration? Log of secant theta plus c. So this is equals to 3 into theta tan theta minus, here we have the value of tan theta only, we have that x is equals to tan theta. So I want to convert this term also in terms of the tan theta, that is log of secant theta is nothing but square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Root 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant theta plus c. This is equals to, now we are substituting the values. What is x? Tan theta. So what is theta value? Tan inverse x. Now we substitute these two values here. Theta means tan inverse x into tan theta equals to x minus log of 1 plus square root of 1 plus tan square theta, that is x square plus c. So this is equals to 3x tan inverse x minus 3 into log of square root of 1 plus x square plus c. That's all. This is answer. Next problem, integral tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x into dx. So first here I write the given problem and we substitute the value x is equals to cos theta in the given problem. Then what is dx value? Dx is equals to cos theta derivative minus sin theta into d theta. Now replacing the values. So this is integral tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x value cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into dx value minus sin theta into d theta, and this is equals to integral tan inverse of square root of what is 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2 by what is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2 into minus sin theta into d theta. So this is equals to integral tan inverse of 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, square root of sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2, that is square root of sin by cos tan square theta by 2 into minus sin theta into d theta. Now writing the sign minus before the integration, so this is minus integral tan inverse of root tan square theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2 into sin theta into d theta. So this is minus integral tan inverse tan cancel, so the value is theta by 2 into sin theta into d theta. So take the constant before the integration, that is minus 1 by 2 into integral theta sin theta into d theta. So again this is in the form of x sin x, theta sin theta x sin x, so product of 2x function. So we use the word ideate here, arithmetic trigonometric, this arithmetic is trigonometric fg. So applying the formula integral fg dx is equals to f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx into dx plus c. Therefore f into integral g theta into integral sin theta d theta minus integral f dash theta whole dash into integral sin theta into d theta plus c minus 1 by 2 into theta into integral sin theta integration minus cos theta minus theta derivative 1 sin theta integration minus cos theta. So minus of minus becomes plus here, this is minus theta cos theta, minus 1 by 2 into minus theta cos theta plus integral cos theta, that is sin theta. Now substituting the values, theta is equals to cos inverse x, that is minus 1 by 2 into minus theta. What is theta? Cos inverse x. Cos theta. What is that value? X plus square root of, in place of sin theta, we take that here root 1 minus cos by theta. But what is cos theta? X. So this is root 1 minus x square plus c. Therefore the answer is minus 1 by 2 into minus x cos inverse x plus square root of 1 minus x square plus c. That's all.